Oh, yes.
Yes po.
Yes. So, ulitin ko. These are the 4 important platforms or tools to use so that you can continuously earn your start cha-ching, whether it's 500, 1,500, 7,500, 10,000, 18,000, and more. You need to have a Facebook personal account, Facebook business page, ManyChat, and business ad account. So personal Facebook account, marami sa inyo ang nagtatanong, Coach, I will have to create my another personal Facebook account. You don't need to create a new one. Okay? Hindi po siya required na ibig sabihin mag-create kayo ng new account for the sake of, you know, kasi dito ako mag-share ng mga Facebook businesses ko. Hindi. Dito sa Star Legends Adventures, your existing personal Facebook account is totally valid. Scaling up part is, tinuturo namin siya sa VVIP because it's a different level na. I will go through the basic, okay? So personal Facebook account, whatever you have at the moment, use it. Kasi bakit? Nandiyan na po yung network nyo. Anong network? So yung mga friends nyo, diba? Kahit 400 lang yan, 300, may network na kayo dyan. So, ang kagandahan nun, guys, if magpo-post kayo ng mga selfie nyo, may mga magla-likes, magko-comment, diba? And you set it to public. No? Bakit? Kasi preparation yun. Na later on, when you introduce the business through your ad account, no? Pagdalhin mo sila, oy, kasi scammer ka ba? Hindi ako scammer, pumunta ka dito sa aking personal Facebook account. Because your personal Facebook account is like your home-based. No? No? So, dyan mo dadalhin ng mga tao to show them that you are real. You showcase your lifestyle, no? Avoid na po tayong mga hugot, no? Iniwan ka ng jowa mo, wag mong ihiladlad dyan, no? Magmumura-mura. Wag po yan because you're driving the blessing away. Okay? So this is the moment of your life that you have to start a change. If you want to attract abundance, no matter how negative things are going with you, no, with your personal life, you have to stay positive in the social media. It's okay to share about your struggles wherein people can learn from it. But di ba may mga iba naman talaga nagmumura doon kasi iniwan kung ano-ano, you know? So don't do that. Okay? So use your existing one and grow your followers and friends. Grow your network. Ako, nagsimula ako, hindi ako nahirapan, guys, kasi meron na akong network. Di ba? So, you need to have people that know you para hindi kayo mahirapan. No? Na, though, yung mga closest nyo are the ones that will doubt you, that will be skeptical, that will never believe in what you're doing. And, you know, just know what you want and ignore them. Just keep doing what I have told you because this is also what happened to me. No? So, let me show you my Facebook account. Sino yung mga nag-follow sa akin?
Me, this.
Yeah. Okay, so
Ako.
ang aking
ko.
Yeah, follow. No? So, ayan. No? So, ito yung aking Facebook personal account. It's been here for like what? Almost since 2008, no? So when I started a business, hindi po talaga ako nahirapan. Well, because I've been doing business since I was 21, no? So nung nag-affiliate marketing ako, yung mga naniwala sa akin was mga taong hindi ko talaga super kakilala, but mga friends of friends, mga ganun, no? Feeling pa-famous naman kasi si Coach IC. So, merong mga nag-enroll. Pero yung mga closest ko, mga doubtful talaga sila, skeptical, never. But that's why I'm telling you now that people who are strangers are the very first to trust you. Okay? Yes. All right? So, now, how will you convince these strangers to believe you that you are real, that you are not scammer? So, yes, you use your personal Facebook account. And, ayan. Ano yung na-observe nyo? Sige nga, kung sino yung mga nagpa-follow sa akin, tell me, what have you guys observed in my timeline? What do you think? Do I post? What do you see in my timeline that you think people will realize that I am real? Sige nga, what do you think have I been doing in my timeline?
Nakaka-encourage.
Inspiring.
Yes? Okay, thank you. What else?
Yung ina-update niyo po yung mga ginagawa niyo sa business.
Yes, very good. What else?
Result.
Results.
The result of the affiliates.
Very good. Very good. Yes. What else?
Motivational stories.
Motivational stories. Yes. People that
Dating.
people relate to.
Life coach.
Live. Very good. What else?
Marketing.
What is it?
Consistent marketing.
Very good. Yes. Consistent. No? What else?
Lifestyle.
Lifestyle. Yes. Very good. All right. So, bottom line is your timeline is your home base. Make it trustworthy. Make consistent posting about what you offer. Okay? It's a mixture of your personal life and your business. If you're not going to be consistent with your posting about your business, people will forget your products and services. People will not believe in you.
Parang mali yung...
No? So you really have to be consistent in your posting. Because if you're going to market it in your Facebook ads, for example, you start your marketing, and then later on, okay, can I have your personal Facebook account? And then dun, puro ka lang doon mga selfie, puro ka naman lang hindi rin yun magiging enough. Take it from me, how I managed to earn my first 200,000 in a month just by becoming an active affiliate, doing all this that I'm teaching you now. The very first affiliate, a woman out of 30,000 affiliates of the previous company that I joined, I was the very first woman that achieved 200,000 income as an affiliate. Paano ko ginawa yun? These are my strategies. I need to know ano yung mga common objections ng mga tao na I need to handle it. How am I going to handle it? People worry about being scammed. So how am I going to show them that I am real? So come to my timeline, I'll show you, and then they'll see me that I'm real, and they'll see me that this is what I do, and this is what they can get. Even though they're not my results, if I am just new to the business, I'm going to share someone else's result because this is what's possible for them as well. This is what's possible for me as well. This is why I enrolled, because I know the opportunity here. It's not that you don't have the result yet. You are there because you know what you're capable to get. When people ask you, do you have any result? You don't tell them, no, I don't have. You tell them that I am here sharing this opportunity because I have confirmed that yes, it provides unlimited income. You didn't answer yes or no, because if you say no, then definitely they will not believe you. Do you get that? No? So your timeline, it has to be consistent. Bahala na kahit abutin ka dyan ng 4 na buwan katulad ni Coach Lu kasi 400 lang daw yung friends niya before. So, kinukumusta ko siya. Sisi, kumusta ka na? Kasi consistent posting talaga si Coach Lu as in, no? Pag magsasabi ko, sino yung number 1 na makaka-avail nito? Free holiday, blah, blah. Sabi niya, ako. Parang alam mo, kinukurot yung heart ko. My God, nakikita ko yung babaeng to talagang nagpo-posting hanggang 4 months na wala pang result. Walang start ching, walang book ching. Ano ba to? So, kinumusta ko siya. Sabi niya, okay lang ako, Sisi. Wag mo akong alalahanin. But you see, it is really inspiring, no? The journey of the people that have walked with us. Though yung iba, nagsarili na, yung mga pioneers ko, we are still in contact and, you know, they're still very grateful kasi may mga sarili na talaga silang mga negosyo. No? And because that's what I am teaching you guys here, to learn how to fish. So yes, in your timeline, ayan, pa-lifestyle si Coach, no? Pa-sexy, kasi na-observe ko, pag business, konti lang yung nag-like, no? 7 lang, no? Mga ganon. But, people are watching. Don't get demotivated that no one is liking your post, no one is commenting it, they're just watching. And remember what I told you, the 10x rule? BBIPs, I teach you that the 10x rule is Be relentless to the point that people can never ignore you. That people will start being curious of what you do. That's what happened to me. My close friends are now in Star Legends Adventures, but they're not, messaging me anymore. It's my customer support. So bad luck, sayang. Pioneer sana kayo. May access kayo sa akin sana nung una. But wala. No? Okay? So nakuha niyo ba yung point? And if nakikita niyo to, public. Nakikita niyo to? Public. Why? Because if it is set to friends, some of you are still nakaset ng friends. So if friends lang po iyan, limited ang network nyo. So halimbawa, maglo-launch kayo ng advertisement nyo mamaya, yung mga taong hindi nakakilala sa inyo, hindi nyo pa friends, hindi nila makikita yung mga posts nyo. So you make sure that it is set on public. So there are posts that probably you don't want to share to the public because, you don't want strangers to see the pictures of your daughter, or if you have photos of your family that you don't want to share to everybody, then definitely you can just set that to like friends. No? But if it is something that will help you gain trust from the people that don't know you, then put it on public. Okay? So public is like, a little bit of your lifestyle, business, of course, your products and services, and ulitin ko, it has to be consistent. And another thing is, if you have other businesses, like if you're an entrepreneur, you have your own products, it's fine. But this is another thing that most people get, what's this? Kumbaga nagkakamali. Which was my mistake before as well. Para po kasi talaga ako before, sari-sari store. Meron akong Mary Kay, meron akong ganito. Alam mo yun, connected ako sa different other companies. I want you guys to fly high, but let me share with you that has delayed my success. Only the moment that I focused in one business opportunity, I was able to maximize my full potential and the full potential of the business. Bakit? You cannot serve two masters at the same time. That's the truth. No? If it is a business, like for example, let me give you a tip. If you are in Star Legends Adventures, kasi simula mo pa lang, hindi mo pa nakukuha yung mga results mo dito, don't jump from one business to another just because you're not getting the result now. Nakukuha nyo. No? I have seen many of our business partners jumping from one business to another. They don't realize that they're gonna keep starting from zero. Why do you think Coach Lou is where she is now? Why do you think she is where she is now? It's because she has, she didn't stop. She had many other opportunities. Pag naano siya, ine-educate ko siya. Oh, what do you want? No? So now, she is continuously achieving. And in fact, may roadmap ka dapat. Hindi pwede na pag mag-promote ka dito sa timeline mo, baka in global ka, baka ano ka, di syempre makukonfuse yung tao. No? Like for example, Star Legends Adventures, nakilala muna tayo as a travel and tours company because we need to build a strong, trust, a strong brand in a small group of people para strong siya na sila na yung mag-spread out ng great news na yes, Star Legends Adventures has a very good support. So no matter how much I expand later on, people will believe me because inasikaso ko muna itong small group na strong ang kanilang conviction of what I do and who we are and what we offer. Kasi kung ikaw, may global ka, ano pa yung mga bago dito? Kung ano-ano. I have nothing against that. But then the bad thing is, if you really want to achieve success, you cannot. Kasi kung mag-grab ka ng isang opportunity, hindi mo pwedeng iwan to kung hindi mo pa kabisado. It's okay if you have achieved millions already here. You say, I know Star Legends Adventures. My travel and tours is already earning, constantly. I can delegate. The word is delegate. No? You can hire someone to look after your travel business para hindi mapabayaan yung affiliate marketing mo sa Star Legends. You pay them how much? You say you're paying 50,000 pesos for the salary for them to look after the business, and ikaw, you can move to something else. Kung gusto mong mag-expand, that's how it is. You cannot leave a business na average pa lang yung results mo. Kasi mag-jump ka na naman sa isa, you have to be back to square one. Now, if you believe na Star Legends Adventures is not the business for me. I don't see my future here. Then that's the time, go ahead and huwag kang mag-alinlangan. Go jump to another one. But don't keep jumping from one to another. Make a decision. Asan ka ba talaga? Diba? Do not waste money. That's what I'm telling you guys. No? Now, nyo. No? So dito, make sure that you are communicating what you are offering. Na pagtingin dito, so Star Legends, meron pala silang paganito, passive income. Meron pala silang mga booking. Meron pala silang mga ganito. Alam mo yun, kumbaga, meron siyang, kumbaga, yung ano niya, kumbaga yung message niya is there. It's not all over the place na baka yung mapa-invite, yung mapa-subscribe, yung magsabi, ano ba yan, Catalina? Ano ba yung prinopromote mo? IMG ka ba? Ano ka ba? No? So, hindi mo dapat i-confuse ang mga tao. Okay? If you want greater results lang naman. If you want like results here and there, that's absolutely fine. Nakukuha nyo? All right. This is only my advice. I have nothing against it. You know, as long as it's not conflict of interest, definitely you cannot franchise or do some business that is going to be a conflict of Star Legends Adventures, meaning the same products and services of the company. Okay? So, hindi dapat ganun. Pages, and then, ayan, create a new page. And then, yung page name, so it can be Coach IZ, it can be Mentor IZ, no? Ikaw, kung Coach Mary Grace, how do you want to be remembered or known by people, you know, as an affiliate? Because this is the time that you're going to be your own brand. Nakukuha nyo? You will be a frontliner, kumbaga, ni Star Legends Adventures. Okay? So, page name, it's something about, you know, related sa kung ano yung gusto mong ipahiwatig na, you know, I'm offering a business. So, are you a business owner? Edna, business owner? Whatever. No? So, be creative. Yung iba, ano yun? Si Michelle, ano yung ano? Michelle Mompreneur? Ano ba yun? No? So, category is entrepreneur. So, you just type entrepreneur here. Okay. And then, description. So, usually ako sinasabi ko, we're on a mission to help our kababayans learn how to earn from home. Okay? So, anything that you would like to put there. So, ayan. Sample lang. Okay? Ayan. So, bakit hindi ako makapag-create ng page? Ayan, alright. Okay. No? So, kailangan pipili kayo ng isang category na nag-show up. And then, the same thing ha, kung may travel and tours kayo, the same, kailangan mag-create kayo ng page ng travel and tours. So, ibig sabihin, when you create a business page, it is intended for specific business. So, since our Star Legends Adventures has multiple products and services, so you have to create different business pages. So, for travel and tours, it has to be travel and tours business page, and then you would have to create, kasi meron din yan dyan, travel and tours. Ayan, travel agency, travel company. No? Okay, so for one-stop shop for the e-commerce, because that's where you're going to keep sharing our products and services if you want to promote the e-commerce, so you can continuously attract people to shop there and you earn your passive income, then you have to create that. And then for the affiliate marketing, then you create another business page, which is under entrepreneurial category. Okay? Nakuha niyo ba? No? So this is where you communicate your products and services. Specific siya. Hindi siya dapat, you know, halimbawa, yung timeline nyo is yung home base nyo. So, ang nangyari, lahat ng mga pinopost nyo dito sa inyong Facebook page ay dadalhin nyo sa timeline nyo para, no, makita ng mga tao na, hey, meron kang business page and you're going to invite them to like your page. Alright? Because kung interesado sila sa business opportunity, then definitely, yun ang i-communicate mo about this page and they will follow your business page. So anything about your business that they're interested in, at least they know where to go. I wanna see, ano kayo yung latest na promo nila sa business opportunity? Sige nga, I'll follow IZ, the online coach. Ganon. Oh, I want to inquire about travel and tours. I'm going to IDA Travel and Tours business page. oh, gusto ko mag-shopping ng, mga kalan. Oh, I'm going to Ida's One-Stop Shop. Okay? Nakukuha niyo? So, ang business page, that's the purpose. So, people will follow your page because they know what they're expecting from that page. So, kailangan, it's very clear kung ano yung mga pinupost mo. So, basically, entrepreneurial page is supposedly your brand, as someone who can help the person that's interested to have their home and online business succeed as well. Okay? So, ayan. And then, of course, you have to add your profile picture. I suggest na, presentable, wag yung mga blurry, yung powerful talaga, no? Because, again, this is social media. They don't know you. So, you have to present yourself with the best that you can. And then you add a cover photo. Again, you can just model my IZ the Mompreneur para wala kayong problema, no? And you can just follow kung ano yung about us. Okay? So, ayan. And then, of course, you have to build your post. And ulitin ko, wala ka pa ditong likers or followers. So, ibig sabihin, you really have to invite your friends to like. And again, mag-cross-posting ka. So, yung post mo dito, i-share mo doon sa iyong timeline para maalaman nila. And again, kung mahaba masyado yung caption mo dito, you don't have to copy all the long caption that you have posted here. Pero magka-copy ka lang ng, para when you share, diba? When you share a post, nakikita ko sa inyo, when you share a post, walang mga caption. When you share a post, you need to attach specific caption. Why did you share that post? What is the call to action? CTA, call to action. When you're posting, always have call to action. Anong next? Click below. Please follow and like my business page. You have to do call to action. You need to be clear with what you want to happen for your viewers, no? What you want them to do. Okay, so now let's go ahead and go back to my page. So let's assume you have done it already. Okay na yung profile picture mo. Okay na rin yung cover photo mo.